Welcome back to the OfaYes YouTube channel. It's your favorite duo, King and Queen, here to show you yet another way to make money online.
That's right. Today, we're diving into a gold mine, affiliate marketing on classified ads websites.
So, if you've been looking for a legit side hustle that requires zero investment, stick around, because this is for you.
Alright, first things first, what exactly is a classified ads website? Well, think of it as an online marketplace where people buy and sell products, services, or even job listings. Just like how you'd browse Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, but way more organized and profitable.
And OfaYes? It's one of Nigeria's fastest growing classified ads platforms, making it the perfect place to start earning with affiliate marketing. Now, let's break down affiliate marketing. In simple terms, it's getting paid to promote products or services. You don't need to own a product, stock inventory, or handle customer service. Just share a unique affiliate link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission.
And with OfaYes, it's even better. You can earn up to 20% commission every time someone purchases a premium ad package through your referral link. That's cash in your pocket just for sharing a link. Sounds amazing, right? But hold up. Before you start spamming your link everywhere, let's go over some key do's and don'ts single quotes to ensure you actually make money instead of wasting time. Promote your affiliate link where your audience is active: Facebook groups, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and even on your personal blog or website.
Educate your audience about the benefits of premium listings on OfaYes, why they need it.
Use storytelling. Share success stories of people who got more sales or views by using premium ads.
Create short videos or tutorials explaining how to use OfaYes premium services and include your affiliate link in the description. Don't spam your link everywhere without context. People hate that. Instead, provide value first.
Don't promote to the wrong audience. Someone looking for a job won't be interested in selling products.
Don't ignore follow-ups. Sometimes people need a little reminder before they make a purchase. If you want to actually make serious money with this, here's the winning formula.
1. Pick a niche. Focus on a category like real estate, automobiles, or business services.
2. Create valuable content. Write blog posts, make YouTube videos, or post testimonials.
3. Engage with your audience, answer their questions and help them see the value in premium ads.
Be patient and consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your affiliate empire. How to sign up for OfaYes affiliate marketing and start earning. Alright,
now let's get to the money part. Here's how you can sign up and start earning.
Step 1. Go to www.OfaYes.com and click on the affiliate program section.
Step 2. Register for a free account and get your unique referral link.
Step 3. Start promoting OfaYes premium ad packages using the do's we just shared.
Step 4. Sit back, watch your referrals sign up, and earn up to 20% commission per sale.
And that's our app, guys. Affiliate marketing on classified ads websites is a super easy way to generate passive income, and OfaYes makes it even more rewarding.
So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, grab your affiliate link, and start making money today.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next money-making tip.
Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.